Chemistry. Hexazinone belongs to the chemical class of triazine herbicides. Hexazinone is a potent herbicide primarily used to control weeds in various agricultural and non-crop settings. Mode of action. The primary mode of action of hexazinone is inhibition of photosynthesis. Specifically, it interferes with the photosynthetic electron transport chain in plants by blocking the activity of the enzyme Photosystem II, PSII, which is essential for the conversion of light energy into chemical energy during photosynthesis. This disruption ultimately leads to cell death in susceptible plants. Formulation. Hexazinone is formulated as various types of herbicidal products, including emulsifiable concentrates, soluble concentrates, water-dispersible granules, wettable powders, and liquid formulations. Uses. 1. Agriculture. Hexazinone is commonly used in agriculture to control weeds in crops such as sugarcane, citrus, pine plantations, orchards, vineyards, and Christmas tree farms. It effectively targets a broad spectrum of grasses, broadleaf weeds, and woody plants. 2. Forestry. In forestry, hexazinone is applied to control competing vegetation in newly planted or established forests, particularly coniferous forests. It helps promote the growth and establishment of desirable tree species by reducing weed competition. 3. Non-crop areas. Hexazinone is also utilized in non-crop areas such as rights-of-way, industrial sites, utility corridors, and along roadsides to manage vegetation and prevent encroachment of unwanted plants. Thanks for watching our pesticide info video. Follow us for more updates and subscribe on YouTube. Your support keeps us making helpful videos. Stay connected.